A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. I wonder what make Thomas never want believe what him friend him did I tell him say. And I wonder if I saw some of we stay too. We have to see for ourselves before we decide to believe. How you wait pan? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button, it now go cost you nothing. And the notification bell for make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here so. Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 20 from verse 19 to verse 31. That said Sunday, Jesus followed them meet up together in the evening. Them lock the door them because them did afraid of the Jew leader them. Jesus come in a room and turn up with them and say, peace. When time him said that day, him showed them him and him side. And them did glad can't done when them see the Lord. So Jesus said to them one next time, say, peace. Same like how the Father sent me in the world, a same way so me, I send unu in there. After him said that, him blew upon them and say, make the Holy Spirit come in our life. If you no pardon somebody for the wrong way them do, God I go pardon them. If you no pardon them, God not go pardon them neither. No. Thomas, we then called Didymus, one of Jesus' 12 followers them, in a room with the other follower them, when time Jesus, they come in there. So the other follower them said to him, say, we see the Lord. But him said to them, say, if me not see the nail hold them in him and them, and get to put my finger in them, and if me not get to put my hand in him side, then me not go believe say a true uno attack. 8 days after that, Jesus followed them did in a said house, and Thomas did there with them that time. Yeah. Even though the door them did lock, Jesus come in, come turn up amongst them, said we, and say, peace. Then him said to Thomas, say, put your finger here so, and look for me on them. Stretch out your hand and put it in on my side. Tap if I'm but, and believe what you see. Then Thomas said to him, say, you are my Lord and my God. So Jesus said to him, say, a true you see me, make you believe, say me. God bless the people them. When you see me, but believe in me, same way. Jesus do enough more powerful sitting in front of him, follow them. When I write down in another book here. But them you write down, so uno might believe, say Jesus are the Christ, God boy pitney. And that when you believe in him, uno can have life will last forever. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.